Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children, we welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekalaiva. See, in this lesson Animals Everywhere, we see so many topics. In the last topic of the lesson is migration of birds. Okay, have you heard the word migration? Okay, going to see what is migration now. Migration will take place actually on birds and animals. Now we are going to learn about what is migration. Mass movement of animals from one place to another is known as migration. Okay, even during the summer time, what we will do, whole family member will have a plan to go and select a chill place, which means Ooty, Konaka, you will select and go and enjoy the climate condition during summer season. The same way, these plants, these birds and animals and also will change its place from one place to another place. Mass movement of animals from one place to another place is known as migration. Children, what is migration? Changing its place from one place to the another place. Let me see the reason why it is changing. Why do animals are migrating? Migration means changing its place. Why it is migrating? See, animals migrate to escape from what? To escape from harsh weather. Harsh means hot summer or heavy cold condition. Due to this, animals will have a plan to change its place. Next is to search for foods. Obviously, all the animals cannot prepare a food. It has to move around to take a food, no. So that in searching of food also, it will change its place from one place to the another place. And to reach their breeding grounds. Okay, for the reproduction, to produce the young ones, so it has to move from one place to the another place. So changing of a living place from one place to another place is called migration. Due to what it is changing? To escape from the weather and searching of food and producing its young one to reaching the breeding ground. For these reasons, animals are changing its places. So we will call the name of migration. Now, so one by one we'll see which are the birds or animals are migrating. First we have taken here bird. These are the birds, storks and mullet ducks. Okay. So these birds every year it will visit India during winter season. So through this what you could understand? So it need a condition of cold. So due to that every year during winter season these birds will visit our India. So this is the one example of birds which changing its place. Next example of migration is fish. First we seen about the bird, now we have taken the fish. See, look at the picture. It is not a snake, it is a fish. The name of a fish is eel. Okay, you can call it the electric fish also. It will give a shock. Okay, eels spend their life in river. Normally all the fish will live in water, no, especially it's given a space also. So in the river it will live. Which fish ma? Eel fish. It resembles like a snake, but actually it's not a snake, it is a fish. Name of a fish is eel. The living place of it is normally water, especially in water. Which place it can live? It can live in the river. Then what is the special? No, they travel from the river to sea. Okay, it is also migrating. Normally all the fish will live in water. Then what is the reason it changing? Let you say now. So that where it will go, no, normally it will live in the river. From the river to sea it will change a place. For what reason? No, to lay a eggs. To lay eggs, it will move from river to sea. Okay, then what is special, the parent eel after reached a sea, it will lay a egg. Okay, then the young one after hatch out, it will come out. After hatching, after the young one comes out, what will happen to the parent eel? It will die. What is the reason? It has traveled from river to sea, it becomes so weak. Due to that, the parent eel will die in the river itself. The young one which reproduces, it doesn't know the way. Although from the sea it will come back to its place of river. So this is the mystery will take place in the eel fish. So how surprised, no? Next, locust. You would have seen these. So this is a harmful migratory insects. Okay, we see in the bird, next fish. Now we are seeing about the insects. In the two, these locust insects so harmful. Why it is harmful? No, it can fly from one place to another place. That is why we can call this is also one of the migratory insects. It is so harmful, no? It will eat all the plants, leaves, grains very quickly in a day itself. It can destroy the whole area of even crop field itself. It can destroy very quickly. That is why these insects are very, very, very harmful. Next, normally you would have seen the butterflies, no? This is especially a special butterfly. Why it is? It can migrate. So the place, it can migrate from Canada to the Mexico. It can completely change the country from one country to other country. So that is the speciality. These butterfly, the name of a butterfly is monarch butterfly. It can fly from one country to the other country. That is the ability these butterflies has. Next, so we see in the birds and then insects, then fish. It's a great mystery, how these are, how migratory animals decide to go and in which direction to fly. We are living on the land, we know the way. Through the map, with the help of a map, we can move to one place to another place and then we can retrace the path and come back. But it is so mystery in the case of these birds and animals. How it is deciding, this is the condition we'll have in that next country. We can move like that, how it come to know? So that is why it's a great mystery. So how these birds and animals are changing a place, with the help of animals take the help of sea current. The sea flows, with the help of a sea, the presence of a sea, with the help of it, animals are taking a help and then with that it is changing a place. Then reindeer. So it is also moving, how it is moving with the help of sun rays. Okay, where the direction of sun rays helps to move from one place to the other place. The next is birds. Birds are taking help of coastline. Coastline means a seashore, the meeting point of a sea and then a land together, that is called a coastline. With the help of that, these birds are taking a help and then moving its place from one place to the other place. With the help of these only, birds and animals are changing its place. Okay, scientists decided, already we itself had got surprised, how these animals are able to move, how it chasing a place. So we seen all those things. So that to track this, scientists made a plan and they used a rings and tiny transmitters. They tied the ring and tiny transmitter on the neck of birds. With that they found, like a GPS we used to track, the same way the rings and tiny transmitter is fixed with one of the bird and they studied where these birds moving, how it's coming back. Through that only they found easily these birds and animals can retrace its path and then that is why it is able to change its places. This is the studies were made by scientists. Understood, children? These are the concepts. If you have a doubt, let me clear you. Okay, we'll see you in the next class, children. Thank you.